Troy at Mountain Man Treasure here. We're on a road trip. No road trip's complete without a stop to an unfamiliar thrift store. So we are in Butte, America. I've actually been to this thrift store a couple times before. We pulled out some good stuff. It looks like it's actually really busy. We're going to head in and see what we can find. 50 cents hangers with purple toe.
I will actually call the head of VSW. I know him personally. Please do.
There's a winner there. Binding's good. That is an antique Bible, ladies and gentlemen. 99 cents. I think we'll grab it. I'm not looking anything up today because I don't have much time. Just grab what I think is good. This can be good. Made in USA. Not great. Not bad. Grab that. Okay, so got a couple things. Didn't get much. I got beat in there by another picker. You could tell, you know, we can see our own. And he was clearly in there, and he had some cool stuff. He just beat me to it. He was one step ahead of me getting here this morning, but that's okay. I think we're gonna zip. There's one other thrift store on my way out of town that I wanted to check out, so I'm gonna zip over there, and we'll run in there real fast. We'll see what we can find, and when I get to my hotel, we will go over the stuff. All right, guys, the Butte Rescue Mission Bargain Center. It says big sale today. Let's check it out. Okay, I can do that. Small short, we're gonna leave that. Iris. screen stars tag. Single stitch. I got some fray here, but that's not a big deal. Grab that. Oh, here's another one. Also get 2 of them, right? That's definitely an old one. I might grab it. Sit around for a while, but it's cool. Made in Korea. Older. I'll grab it. Corduroy. There's Ariat. That's what that brand is Ariat. Pretty filthy though. Let me know if you see anything. I'm going through real fast. I gotta get back on the road. There's a Revere wear. No lid though. A little bit dark back here. Old Everlast. $29.20. All right, so in that one we didn't load up, but we grabbed a few pretty good things. So we made it to the hotel. It's snowing. All right, in the hotel room on the lovely hotel bed in the yellow lighting, let's go over what we picked up. From the last stop, we got this Bruce's Brewery Frog and Firkin. I don't know, it's a single stitch, so I grabbed it. They had a fill a bag sale going on there, so all the clothes I got, total $5. So I figure it was worth taking a shot on a cool single stitch. I can't remember. This one is Screen Stars. Yeah, an old Screen Stars tag, XL single stitch. Pretty cool. This one from the same place, just a different look. So, I don't know. Grabbed them. This one, the Shipyard. This also, single stitch. I believe also that was a Screen Stars. So this one probably is going to move long before either of those. But they were worth grabbing to throw in. This one I think is probably a $20 shirt. And I think this one will move relatively easily. We also picked up this Ducks Unlimited sponsor hat. It's an old corduroy. Ducks Unlimited stuff sells pretty well, and old corduroy hats will do okay. This is made in Korea. It's an older hat. I'd have to comp it, but, you know, I'm guessing that's got to be at least a $15 hat plus shipping. This one probably the same. This one might last a little bit longer. I haven't looked up Beale Mountain Mining to see if they're anything big. I have not heard of them, but it's cool. It's got like a Pegasus on there. I don't know. I just liked the look, so picked that up as well. He threw that in with the clothes, so all of that went in with the $5 bag. These Everlast gloves, there's actually one listed right now for something stupid high. These are probably somewhere between $20 and $30 for these. I've sold old Everlast stuff before, and there is a market for it, and these are in very nice shape, so I bet those are probably a $25 piece. And then this Weber, these are the gloves that you can grab stuff off of the grill. They must have had some stuff donated because they had some Weber inbox stuff. These were the only gloves, unfortunately. Paid $5 for them, and they're worth about 25 or 30 bucks. So that's an easy sell for Christmas. This right here is going to pay for everything we picked up today at both stores combined. This. So not bad at all. This also, there was no chance in the world this was going to fit in a grocery bag, but he went, and just assumed that this was in the bag. This is actually pretty good. It's big and puffy. This is not necessarily a flattering jacket, right? But it's lined right here, and it's not new. You can see somebody has worn it at some point, but it's near new. I mean, it's in fantastic condition. Eris, this is, you can see there, it's an XL made in the USA. This is an extreme cold weather jacket is what this is. This is going to keep somebody very, very warm. Like I said, see, you got some staining on the inside. I might actually keep this one because they are very, very warm. So this would be nice out there. Like right now, it's snowing. If I sell this, it's not new. If I decide to sell this, it's probably a $40 jacket, maybe $45, something like that. So that, a really, really nice find. At the first place, and we paid $8, by the way, for all of that. The first place we paid like, it was like 6 something, because I think we came out to like 13. This is a old No Fear shirt from the probably the 90s. This is not a fantastic one, right? There are some No Fear things that sell for really, really good money. I think this is probably a basic. It ought to sell for about, I don't know, $19.99 plus shipping kind of deal. That's probably what that one is. This, I have no idea what it's worth, but I just liked it. Big Dipper Select Premium Ice Cream. Ice cream stuff does sell. It may take a while, but it's just a cool sign. So we'll see. I don't know how much that's worth. This is a cool Bible. I like picking up the old Bibles. This in pretty good condition. I think you saw in the store this from 1902. So obviously an antique and really an amazing shape. It's got pictures of all these places. It says it has like 150 pictures in here. I've got to think this is probably a $20 or $30 Bible. It's a large Bible, which is a good thing, like the family desk Bible. So I would guess maybe a $30 Bible here. And then I've sold these before. Not this particular brand. This is Rocky, but they're all basically the same. This is the Army Combat Boots. This is the warm weather. This is what we see mostly around here. Let's see. Here we go. Yep, hot weather Army Combat Boot. This is an 8.5 regular, so it's not a bad size. These will sell. There's my receipt down in there. Let's see how much we paid at this one, because it was 8 at that one. Okay, $6.47 is what we paid. These tend to sell as high as $45. So we'll see. I got to see what else is out there. Again, I don't know about Rocky. I've sold other brands of this before, but these are in very nice shape. Doesn't appear that they were ever worn. There's just a scuff. One of them had a scuff on the back. There you go. That's really it. If they were worn very, very briefly. So those could be anywhere between about 30 and 45 bucks for those. And those do sell. The sell-through on those is pretty good. So that's what we got. Not a bad haul for 14 bucks basically. Like I said, Weber will pay it all off. So that's it. Thanks for coming thrifting with me on this road trip in Butte, America. We're now in Deer Lodge. I'm not sure when we're going to air this. It's either before or after our big lock-in. We're going to the old state prison. It's supposed to be haunted, and we're spending all night there. I'm probably going to wear that jacket because it's going to be really, really cold. And I bet that's warmer than anything I've got. So, yeah, kind of worked out. Thanks for joining us. Like, subscribe, do all the things you do. I'm going to take a nap because I'm going to be up all night. We'll see you guys later. Bye.